Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to survive the apocalypse with my brother San. Yung sound ay pinakamalakas sa buong kalawakan ng Earth. There you go. You can scope. Wow! I like this. Can I shift? Can I run? No, I can't. Round 14? I like this. Well, the strategy here, I guess, is to be on the behind, I guess. Because I'm the lowest. I have for RPG? No, wait. Hey! There you go. That's what I like to see. There's a 200 HP of the horde. If you look at up. What is that? Okay. No, my friends. We have Darth Vader in our side. He bring lightsaber to a gunfight. There you go. Nice. Oh shoot. Where's my members? Okay. I'm fine now. Oh no. Wow, one shot na sila. Na one shot na sila sa knife. Nope, they are not. Oh no, there's a bomb. There you go. Points. Oh! Now what? Package. I forgot. Nagre-record nga pala. No, don't hurt my friend. No. Oh. There you go.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. And if you do, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and see you guys next time. Peace.